Wagwan, my name is Munchalu and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, shout out to you. Today's video is going to be all about this wig right here. I'm going to have the details on the screen and also down below if you guys want to check it out. And shout out to my Instagram. I did a poll and I asked you guys what should be my next hairstyle, and as you guys can see, majority of you chose the silver, and I am loving this look. Now, for me to get here, I had to struggle. I had to fight. I had to climb the mountains for me to get this here to look the way it looks. Okay, now this is a frontal. I'm not gonna get into all the specs because it's down below, and I use Only Got2B glue to attach it, and it is attached. Okay, this wig is not going anywhere. This is the opposite of a tutorial. Okay, this is what you should not do when applying your wigs. However, as you guys can see, this is also what to do if you mess up and how to fix it. Keep in mind, this is my first time gluing down a unit, so you guys are gonna come along the journey with me to see everything that happened, how I fixed it, and how I messed up again, and how I fixed that, and how I messed up again, and how I fixed that. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, keep on watching this video. But before we begin, hi, hello, how are you? Have you subscribed? Make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Like this video because, guys, I really went through it. I really went through it with this hair, and it is not the hair's fault. This hair is superb. The lace is superb. Everything about this hair, chef's kiss. This girl, she was the problem. So I would say kudos to this wig for surviving my first time gluing down a wig. All right, that's enough rambling from me. Let's get into the video. Alright, so as you guys can see, I already have on my wig cap. So today we're literally just going to put on the wig cap and then put on the wig on top of the wig cap. So before I do that, I'm going to add a little bit of color to my hair. I don't have any powder, but I do have my liquid foundation. This is the foundation that I use. So if you have a powder that's your skin complexion, you can also use that, or you can just go ahead and use your foundation like I am going to do. And I'm just going to do right at the front right here, because as you guys can see, this little band right here is going to be a bit obvious under the lace. So what we're gonna do next is remove any excess makeup or oils from our forehead. You don't want to have any excess makeup or glue right there. One, is gonna make whatever you're using not stick to your skin, and two, it is going to make it look white. A cotton pad with some alcohol. Yeah, look at all this makeup. Okay, so here she is. Look at this, y'all. I am very impressed with the way this wig feels. All right, so you guys already know the drill. I already washed this hair and let it air dry, and this is how it came out. I really don't understand how people don't wash their hair, because first of all, this feels way better than it did when it came, and especially if you're working with synthetic hair, it's gonna take away that super shiny and super fake synthetic look to the hair. I have like 1 and 2 hair strands coming out, but when I washed this hair, y'all, 1 strand came out. Literally 1 strand. I was impressed. But after it dried, that's when some hairs are starting to come out, but it's not shedding. I wouldn't call this shedding. It's blonde, so it blends in with this. We love that. I'm happy it's not black, because then it would be really obvious. It has a comb in the back, and it also has these elastic bands. Okay. Whose grandma is this? Alright, so the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do is to cut off these little parts around here that's hanging down. Please do not cut yourself. I'm trying not to cut myself. So I think I found the position for the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and just pin all the hair back. Alright, so we have our got2b glue and we got our blow dryer. Yo. You can kind of see my wig cap under there a little bit. We don't want to see that. So I'm gonna pull this down like that, right? Very subtle, but it's gonna make such a difference because we don't want to see the wig cap. And I'm just gonna spray. Okay guys, so this is what we're looking like. We're going to have to go and fix down here, but for the most part it's down. Like, I can feel it. It is connected. So what we y'all, what did I do? I'm gonna show you something that you're not supposed to do. Y'all, could you see that? That's my wig comb. On both sides. Okay, we're gonna cut the lace off. And again, I'm using this. And you do not want to cut a straight line. That's going to make it more obvious. You want to kind of make like a jaggedy line. Alright, so we have to fix this. This is not gonna work. So I'm pulling this up. Y'all, oh my gosh. We can't. We have to lift it up. Bro, no. And it's so down too. Y'all, look at this. It's not moving. I'm gonna call this video what not to do because... Can we... Okay, I got it. Alright, I just had to like fight with it to get it up under there. I'm pretty sure you've never seen that happen before. Cause who does that? How does that even happen? Oh my gosh. This side as well. And it's not even one side, it's both. they're stuck onto my body. So now we just have to reapply all of this. Alright, so the next time I'm doing this, I'm definitely cutting my lace before, because this is atrocious. So you all alright, so right here is a bit obvious, but that was my fault. So what we're gonna do is to make some baby hairs now. Yo, I'm loving this color. So I have my mousse. I'm gonna use the mousse to set it, and then we're gonna tie it down when we're done. So let's go. I really didn't do much to my baby hair, so that's one way to get it off. Yo, I don't know what's going on. Did this work? We did it. Alright guys, I think I've had enough of playing with this wig. However, I am really in love with this wig. I am really in love with this look. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think? Is gray a good color for me? Storm is definitely on the list for Halloween costumes for this year. So as you guys saw, I washed the hair. The only thing I didn't do to the hair was apply heat to the hair. So I'm not quite sure how it would react with heat. Alright, so now you know what not to do when doing a wig, and now you know how to fix it when you made a mistake. Listen, you just got 2 videos in one. And also, because we glued it down, took it up and glued it back down, it's not adhering the best. So definitely I know next time what to do. So if you're a beginner, or you just don't want to go through the hassle of, you know, losing your edges with wig glue, or just going through, you know, that long process, girl, get you some Got2B glue. This wig is stuck on there, like, oh my gosh, like it's not going anywhere. Love that for us. This is hairspray. This is not a glue. This is hairspray, meaning hairspray, water, gone. So this is not a vacation friendly method of applying your wigs, but this is great for applying your wig at the beginning of the week, and you're just going about your day, you're going to work, you're going to school, and yeah, you're not doing any type of wild, unscrupulous activities. It should stay intact for a few days. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned something, if you learned something not to do, make sure to go ahead and hit that like button down below. And if you'd like to see more content by me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you love getting cheap, affordable, and good quality wig recommendation. Make sure to stick around because I do these videos quite often. And you can also go ahead and follow me over on Instagram if you want to. As you guys can see, I'm always getting you guys involved in making my content, asking you polls, and basically making all the decisions that I'm too indecisive to make. Alright, thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. And to anyone out there, bye.